how to integrate Shopify with Zoho. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a little bit of a connection between your Shopify store and Zoho CRM or customer relation management or relationship management. So these two platforms are going to be well marinated together or working well together because it is going to have something or the same factor which is going to be shared within the two parts, which is going to be the leads or the contacts. So whenever you are going to get a client on Shopify, it is going to be very crucial to have it into Zoho CRM because we can go ahead and create some email campaigns, call campaigns, and deals within the clients that you're going to receive. Either it is going to be a brand or a personal, not personal, but an individual. So how we can get this connection going on? Basically, we can go ahead and head over to the marketplace of Zoho CRM and type in on the search bar Shopify just like that and see the different extensions. Like this is one of the best extensions that you're going to get, which is going to be this Shopify extension for Zoho CRM. Synchronize multiple Shopify accounts with Zoho CRM. So it is going to import the tags, sales orders, synchronization, multiple accounts, and API friendly. And we're going to have some not well rated, as you can see, apps. But the most important part here is going to be having this maybe paid apps or app. And also you can go ahead and have something instead of an app, which is going to be here on the leads or the contacts. For example, you can go ahead and have leads. You can import leads, and these leads are going to be either from a CSV file or XLS file. So we're going to head over Shopify, click on customers, and from the customers we can go ahead and export them. So I'm going to create a, for example here, I don't know, friends. So let's see here if we're going to have a customer created real quick, for example, like that, a fake number only. So we are going to put gg at, for example, Gmail, I don't know, something like that, gg. So we are going to have maybe something like this going on, and then we are going to have something else, 1 3 5 7 10, like that. So we're going to have a customer like this. We're going to have this customer. So we can go ahead and select the customers, not like that. I'm going to tick it only, and we are going to export. Whenever we are going to export them as a CSV file or Excel, we're going to import them here. And then you can go ahead and head over the accounts, set up the deals, set up maybe some tasks to the team that is going on or running on Zoho CRM, run some campaigns, having some documents, and etc. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.